this is Nancy from Fustini's of Ann Arbor. Well, this pantry soup is called Country Corn Chowder. It utilizes several things I found in my pantry. We've heated up the leek olive oil. Okay, and we'll add the onions to that. Get those sauteing. The pantry items included a can of fire roasted corn. You can use cream corn, regular corn. I had fire roasted, that's what's going in my soup today. Evaporated milk. Most of us have a can of that sitting in there. I am utilizing the leek olive oil to saute the onions. Calls for cut up potatoes, and I have bacon in the freezer. So today we're making country corn chowder from the pantry. A little bit of salt and pepper. And the piece de resistance, the bacon. Now the rest of that chowder needs to simmer for about 10 minutes. This is a really great quick family dinner. That's why it was one of my favorites, because I could easily make it after work. It comes together in about 20 minutes total, and I'll let this simmer now for about 10-15 minutes and then take that off the heat and puree part of it and leave the rest whole. Well, that corn chowder is simmered up and it's time for dinner. I think we'll add a little bit of cheese, a little bit of bacon. If you're looking for a variation on the corn chowder, if you remember, I used the leek olive oil. Our ají verde would be wonderful olive oil to saute the onions in before you cook them. And you could also add a can of green chilies if those were in your pantry too, and spice this up a little. So that's it for Fustini Quarantini dinner tonight, country corn chowder.